Minister appointing 10 individuals, 10 ambassadors from different fields, from industry to the arts to music to cinema, to take this message forward. At the end of the day, as Dr. Huda was just saying, that it's the youth, the teenagers who need to change their lifestyle. Now these are all icons, some of them youth icons who've been appointed as ambassadors, like R. Madhavan and like Manu, Bhaker. How hopeful are you that this message will spread far and wide and hopefully lead to changes on ground? How topical was this message for you?
Firstly, I would say I think it's a brilliant thing which the Honorable Prime Minister has done, and I'll tell you why it's brilliant. First thing is that any change, whether it's in a corporate or in a family or in a country, starts from the top. So when the Prime Minister says there is a problem, everybody wakes up to that problem. Everybody understands that this is now a priority. Problems are there, but now it becomes a first priority amongst many other things. So I would say it's brilliant. The second thing which I would say is absolutely brilliantly done is that he has identified role models and has asked them to now find 10 more people each. So this is the power of compounding, and I wouldn't be surprised if this goes viral through the country and brings that change which is really needed today in our country. Now, when he picked up oil, now why he has picked up oil is because oil is one thing, like Gandhiji had picked up salt. Oil is one thing which goes into every home, and whether the oil is good or bad, whether the oil is used in high quantity or low quantity, whether the oil is used badly or correctly, it can really make a difference. And today in our country, fatty liver is rising like an epidemic, like a pandemic. Fatty liver is rising, and it's all leading to then whether it is heart problems or whether it is digestive issues, immunity, many other things. So what he's basically saying is focus on one thing, and that is one thing which is very critical. Now, regarding oil, I would say there are three things which are very important. First is good quality oil. We all have to start looking at whether the quality of oil is good or bad. Number two, we have to see that how much are we using. So 1 teaspoon per person per day is the max we have to use. Third thing, are we doing oil rotation? Are we changing the kind of oils we are using? Because like my esteemed panelist has said, that ghee is not bad. It has to be used in small quantity. Similarly, unsaturated fatty acids or essential fatty acids you get from nuts, from other sources, and those are also equally important. So quantity and variety both are very important. And third thing which is very important is, I think subtly the PM is hinting to the industries that they have to get their act together. So he has not said it in so many words, but many times what is not said is also understood by people who are in the industry. So I think this message clearly has gone to the industry also. Get your act together and make healthier stuff. So I'm really hopeful that the industry leaders would have heard him, and they would in the back end now start working on getting healthier versions. So I think brilliant, I would say amazing messaging, and the right time, because this country otherwise would land up with serious health issues.